Dear students, today I am going to start the first chapter from civics for the students of class 10th, and the topic is power sharing. Dear students, power sharing means share in power. It means participation in the government. For a good government, there is a requirement of proper share of the people of different community, so that everyone should feel that this is his or her own country. Every person should feel that each one has proper participation in the government, directly or indirectly. Here we are going to discuss regarding the political condition of two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. Belgium and Sri Lanka, both countries are very smaller, and in population, these both countries are smaller than our Haryana, that is a smaller country. We must know that both countries faced the same fate. Both countries experienced a diversity there. There had been linguistic diversity and ethnic diversity also. In Belgium, 40% people 40% people used to speak French language, and 59% people were Dutch speaking. Because Dutch speaking people were in majority, they usually came in power, so they did not provide proper share to the minor people who were speaking French there. Subsequently, the French-speaking people felt themselves alienated from the mainstream of the nation, and so they rebelled time to time. Vice versa, in the Brussels has been the capital city of Belgium, where 80% people are French speaking and only 20% people are Dutch speaking. So we see that the French speaking people also did not provide equal status to the Dutch speaking, because they could not avail equal status in the national parliament. So we see that the whole nation was facing disturbances, violence, and anarchy. That's why the country faced retardation in economical, political, and cultural field. Gradually, people came to feel that the nation should be developed. We must know the countries where there is peace and prosperity, then peace is very essential factor to get prosperity. Because there was no peace, there was no harmony, people were struggling to get their equal political and social status. So we see that everywhere there was anarchy and disturbances. Thousands of people lost their lives due to violence. So we see that at last they decided to accommodate this diversity. So to accommodate this social diversity, they decided to provide them equal status to the minority. So in the national parliament, the government took a very strong measures to provide equal political status to the French-speaking people in the national parliament, who were not more than 40%. Here we see when the 40% French people got equal status in the national parliament, then in the state assembly, the 80% French speaking people also decided to grant the 20% Dutch speaking people equal status in the government. Now, no decision would be made without the consent of minor. That was very important things. So the minor came in the mainstream of the nation, and they supported the national economy and prosperity. We see that there are some similarities and dissimilarities also. There are some similarities. Now come to know the French speaking people are always higher qualified, and they had been in the Brussels. And we see that the Dutch speaking people who were in majority but were not so much educated. So we see that when the French speaking people got equal status in the national parliament, the Dutch speaking in the state assembly, the Dutch speaking people also received equal status, and Belgium got its prosperity. Now come to know about Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is also a smaller country, and Sri Lanka has been facing diversity, linguistic diversity, ethnic diversity. We should know that 74% people are Sinhalese who have been speaking Sinhala language, and 18% are Tamils. Out of 18%, 13% Tamils are Sri Lankan, and only 5% Tamils are Indians who went there to work in the rubber and tea plantation during the colonial rule. Of course, they have been there for centuries, but they have not been provided equal status as a common citizen. We see that in 1959, the Sri Lankan government introduced an act that alienated the Tamil people and Tamil language. Now only the Sinhalese language would be used in any competitive exam, university exam, and even the official languages. So the Tamil people are excited and decided to rebel. They have been asking to get equal status. Even they formed an association, and that was the Militant Association led by Prabhakaran, and this organization is said Litte, Liberation Tiger of Tamil Eelam. Now the Litte demands to get sovereign and independent states now where the Tamil people are in majority. We see that like Belgium, Sri Lanka also faced the same fate, but the Sri Lankan government could not follow the social accommodation of social diversity of Belgium. So till now the Sri Lankan government is facing violence, and Tamils have been creating violence to get equal political status. We now come to know the composition, population composition. It means ethnic composition. In Sri Lanka, 74% people are Sinhalese, 18% people are Tamils, and the rest are others. Some Tamils are Hindus, some Tamils are Muslims, some of them are Sinhalese, and some of them are Christians also. And in Belgium, we see that the 59% people are Dutch speaking, 30% are French speaking, and 1% are German speaking.